clearly what science told us what was happening is happening. We always have to say, you have to be careful about attributing individual events to global heating, but climate scientists are saying that this pattern is exactly as they forecast, and that events that are happening much faster and are much more severe than they anticipated. That may be the only positive that comes from all of this destruction, is that it really focuses the minds of governments in the lead up to the really important climate meeting that's happening in Glasgow in early November. I mean, most governments have now signed up to the Paris Agreement, where they promised to reach net zero greenhouse emissions by 2050, but they're under increasing pressure to show exactly how they'll do that. Change has been happening around national governments, and now it's catching up with national governments, and some national governments and supranational governments like the EU are really moving, and that's putting pressure on the laggard national governments like Australia. And so it's that sense of looking at the broader picture and the broader momentum for change that gives me as much hope as I managed to have.